So next our chapter is how to print reports in a tally frame, how to print sales invoices balance sheet in a tally frame, we will see one. So already we are created a bills. In a tally, every report it is possible to taking a printout one. For example, already we are created a balance sheet, profit and losses account, vouchers and all. Now I want to take a printout for balance sheet. So now in main gateway of tally, you can press balance sheet. You can press print here. See, shortcut key Alt P. Here we have print button. In title bar, you can click it that one. Current you can select it. Current you can select it. Now here we have a print button. No, you can click it. Automatically printer. Do you have print? It is coming. Otherwise, preview also it is possible to view. Current. See, preview you can click it. See how it is coming. Preview it is showing clearly. So printer do you have? Automatically you can press print button. Automatically it is coming. After that configure. See by default, so that balance sheet it is showing here. You want to do any configuration in printing? We are using configure button. Configure you can click it. Some columns here it is showing. So it is possible to adding some columns to printing area. Suppose any columns you not required to display means it is possible to disabling like that. So percentages no need. I no need to use this all one. So method of showing balance sheet, liabilities and assets. If you want to configure, we are using title also. It is correct only. We have balance sheet. Show company name yes. Show company address yes. You not required to show this one. You can set no. It is not showing. So printer mode. So printer settings. It is possible to change it. Printer settings also here. See, a printer, Microsoft Print PDF. Set and preview as default. No. Number of copies. How many copies do you require? It is possible to change in here. Suppose enter. I am required to take print out 3 copies. So now you can save. You can press Ctrl A. Automatically it is saved. Now I am clicking preview. See, like this it is showing. Here, this is configuration. But by default configuration, we have all bills. If you want to change any printing configuration, it is possible to changing here. So same like, suppose I want to take a printout for bills, sales invoices, purchase invoices, that and all I want to take a print. I am opening a sales invoice. Already we are created. Display more reports. I am going to here Daybook. Now I will change. I am changing the date. And which date we are created reports? I think May month. May month. See, we are created so many. Now I want to take a print out this bill. So this purchase bill we have. Sales we can select it. After creation also immediately it is possible to taking a bill print out. See, sales invoice I opened now. So if you are creating sales invoice and that time immediately if you want to take a print, see you can press print button in title bar. Shortcut key Alt P. Print button you can press it. Current you want to select current button. See here if you want to configure. See. Title name I want to change. You can press configure, you can change it. Otherwise, in a button bar, see how many copies do you want? Number of copies. I want to 3 copies. Type of copy, all you can select it. Next to title, I want to change. Sales invoice. Sales tax invoice. So that title also I changed. Subtitle not required. So that I changed what I required. Now here, if you want to configure, here also you can click it. Otherwise, in a button bar also it is showing. Which one do you want to configure? You can select it. Now preview. See how clearly it is showing. No? This is our sales invoice format actually, original for recipient. See, it is showing our company name, our customer name, next to invoice number, date, item. See that GST numbers also it is showing. Item name, tax amount, what is the percentage, HSN number and all it is clearly it is showing no more. So you can press print button, automatically printing it is coming. So this is how to take print for invoices. So it is possible to configure also. So this like every report, every bills it is possible to taking a print out. Suppose this Daybook full I want to take a print out. You can press print button, current button you can press it. Preview I am giving. See how like it is showing. Suppose I want to take this voucher print out. Print you can press it. Current I can click it. See preview you can click it, like this it is showing. So one voucher also it is possible to taking a print out. How to print reports in a tally file. How to change printing configuration. Every invoice it is possible to taking a print.